So from the last video, you have understood what exactly is this MLOps is. Now, before we move further in our learning journey, I want to show you visually as what exactly is this MLOps is and how does it actually look like. See, I'll be showing you the MLOps on a use case. Now, this is the same use case that you will be doing it by the end of this learning journey. So when I talk about the MLOps, it's about taking care of end-to-end process of data science from data pre-processing to the deployment to the production environment. Now let me just give you a quick demonstration of it so that it would serve as a motivation to you to progress further in the learning journey, that is in the upcoming sections of your learning journey. So when we talk about this end-to-end pipeline, so this is what an end-to-end pipeline would look like. Now let us say you have a machine learning model ready and you want to deploy it to your production environment. So what you will be doing is once you decide that you want to deploy to the production environment, you will ensure that you will perform the pre-processing, you will go ahead and perform the deployment to the development environment, and you will check whether it is working as per the expectation, and finally you will deploy it into the production environment. And let's say if there is any change in the data set in your production environment, or you have to do the retraining. So how does it actually look like? Now to simulate the same, just for the demonstration purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update my given data set. Now this data set is, think of it as a scenario where you would generally go ahead and get the new data set. So here I'm assuming that, okay, this is a new data set that I'm uploading it for my database. So this is like you get the new data. So once you get the new data, what do you expect? You would expect that this new data will be used for training. So once I upload this new data, if I come back to my code pipeline, okay, in a while, you will see that this pipeline is going to trigger. See, now it has automatically changed this pipeline as in progress. So what does it mean? Everything is actually in sync. So it has taken the latest code from my S3 bucket. Next, it moves on to the build stage, which is going to prepare my model. Then on top of that, we will perform the ETL, which takes care of extract, transform, and loading. So whatever the latest data that I have uploaded to my S3 bucket right now, it will be pre-processed, and once it is processed, it will go ahead and place it inside my S3 bucket, will perform the training, and will go ahead and validate whether it is working as per the expectation, then deploy it into the development environment right here with the help of these stages, followed by conducting the system test to see whether those API endpoints is being accessed by the other services that I have got. Once I perform the system test, then we will go ahead and deploy it into the production environment. Now, once we deploy it into the production environment, we'll not just stop there. We will go ahead and continue to look into the operations part. When I say operations part, we will monitor whether the production environment is working as per the expectation. So as you progress in the learning journey, you will also see as how to monitor those logs with the help of CloudWatch logs, and all those things you will be learning in detail as you proceed in your learning journey. So this learning journey that you have taken with me, it's completely in line with the kind of work that you would generally come across in your day-to-day life as a data scientist. The reason that I have added this video over here is to give you the picture as, okay, how does your end goal would look like? If you look into the learning journey that you will be taking in with me, so currently you are in the introduction to MLOps. As you progress, you will learn about the DevOps concept, how to get started with the AWS, Linux basics, working with code commit, and working with YAML file, working with code build service, code deploy, code pipeline, Docker containers, practical MLOps, how to work with the SageMaker, working with the feature store, deploying the model and performing the versioning with the help of SageMaker model registry, creation of custom model, working with the SageMaker pipelines, including the creation of end-to-end pipeline. So it's a very long journey, I would say, but I want you to stay focused with me throughout your learning journey so that whatever the learnings that you would get from this overall learning journey, that the hours that you spend with me on this course, it will be definitely worth it, because that's what is being expected right now from each and every data scientist. I hope you guys are excited. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So the next video is about the MLOps fundamentals, which gives you a better perspective of each and everything that I've described just now. Okay, so I'll see you next time.